Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming essentials: signed in account, correct time zone, and pending Windows updates. Once done, run WS Reset, exe to clear store cache. This often resolves corrupted cache files. Next, check disk space and run System File Checker with sfc/scanno to repair system files. Make sure the Microsoft Store and Windows Update services are running, restart them if needed. These first actions fix the most common, simple faults quickly and prepare the system for deeper troubleshooting. Now you move to advanced fixes that reinitialize the store app. First, reset the app from settings. If that fails, re-register Microsoft Store via an elevated PowerShell using getapps package and addapps package to reinstall packages. Once complete, sign out of your Microsoft account, remove cached tokens, and sign back in to refresh credentials. If errors persist, create a new local user profile and test the store there. This isolates profile corruption versus system-wide issues. These steps rebuild store components and clear account-related errors. Finish by ensuring Windows is fully updated. Install optional updates and refresh drivers via Device Manager, because driver conflicts can block store operations. Temporarily disable third-party antivirus or firewall. Some security suites block store traffic, so test while disabled. If problems remain, create a system restore point, then run an in-place Windows repair to keep files while repairing the OS. Troubleshooting tip: if you hit persistent errors, check Event Viewer for store or apps package.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.